Neil here from Clean. We want to show you today how to use a glass scraper. Whilst it sounds like the most obvious thing to show in the world, but you'll be surprised at how many people end up scratching their glass. The first and most important thing is to buy a quality glass scraper. We only use the best here at these are Danish fabricated. The blades are also made in Denmark. This is a Triumph MK3. You can have a look online and see the price of them. So the first thing is obviously make sure you've got a nice fresh blade, a new clean blade, and only ever use the glass scraper when the glass is wet. That is most important. And you keep wetting it, and you rinse the blade so that you're not etching the dirt that comes off the glass then back onto the window. So you're always rinsing. As you can see, this is from the bricks here. They've some kind of mortar mix that's ended up on the windows. So this is a standard for us. We always use glass scrapers when working on your property, and some people might think, some windows cleaners think this is detailing the glass. I would say this is a part of standard window clean. So there you go. I hope that's useful. This is we're using a pure water system obviously on the exterior of the windows. Make sure it's looking nice and beautiful for the client. Hope that's useful, and please do check out more of our videos on our website. Thanks folks, bye.